Guys, the snow is coming. I am not going outside. Look. I can't believe it's actually coming this much already. I pray that God takes everybody that's out in this safely home. I'm gonna take it easy, guys. Don't be speeding. You ain't rushing to go nowhere. Just take on your time if you don't happen to be out in this. No rushing, absolutely no rushing. Pray to God. Hold on the steering wheel with both hands. I know a lot of us, we like to do the one hand driving. It doesn't work in this weather. It's not supposed to work in no weather. But I know we do it. So guys, just be safe out there. Just be safe. If y'all don't have to be outside, don't. Just stay inside in our house. Y'all not missing nothing. Safety comes first at all times. And I'm definitely gonna pray for everyone that's out there. Pray for a safe return home or to your destination. Love you guys. Be safe. Guys, look at the after effect of everything. Of course, it's very cold. The roads are not good. I'm not going to work. My job is closed. So I'm happy I'm home at least. The roads are not too clean. This is the highway. There's black ice. More snow. Look at it, guys.